In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open two PDFs in separate windows using Foxit PDF Editor. This skill can greatly enhance your productivity, whether you're comparing documents, cross-referencing information, or just want the convenience of having two files open side by side without constantly switching tabs. First things first, let's dive into the Foxit interface and personalize your settings to allow multiple PDF windows. Begin by launching the Foxit PDF Editor on your computer. Once it's open, you'll want to locate the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see various options. Go ahead and click on Preferences. This crucial step brings up a dialog box that lets you tweak major settings within Foxit. Within these preferences, you'll want to focus on a category called Documents, found in the sidebar to the left. When you click on Documents, it displays several settings related to how your PDF files will be handled. Now, depending on the version of Foxit PDF Editor you have, you're going to look for one of two options. In older versions, you'll find a setting named Allow Multiple Instances. For those of you using newer versions, keep an eye out for an option called Always Open Files in a New Window. Make sure you check this or enable it, which allows each PDF you open to spawn in its own separate window instead of merely creating another tab within the existing window. With that preference enabled, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. This confirms your changes and applies them, ensuring that the next PDFs you open will reflect these new settings. With the settings adjusted, we can move on to opening your PDF files. Start with your first PDF by opening it in Foxit as you normally would. You might be double-clicking the file in your file manager, or you might select it from the File menu in Foxit itself. Once the first file is up and running in Foxit, it's time to open the second PDF. Follow the same steps. Double-click it from your file manager, or use the File menu in the editor. Thanks to the preferences we set earlier, this second PDF will now appear in its own separate window, not just another tab with your first file. Finally, with both PDFs open in their own windows, you have the flexibility to arrange them however you see fit. You might want to place them side by side if you're comparing documents, or you could stack them if you're focusing more on individual details in each file. This dual window setup provides a much more efficient and seamless experience when working with multiple documents. And there you have it. You now know how to open two PDFs in separate windows in Foxit PDF Editor, giving you more versatility and control over your document management tasks.